first of all, we've been friends for I think more than about nearly 26 years, something like that.
Since years.
And we used to work for a local company. At one stage, we thought that we could really excel the level of service that we as employees were providing, and we saw an opportunity and we set Domex up back in 2003. Unlike other businesses where the two proprietors may be masters of one field, we actually understand our strengths quite well and give the other person a space, but also we help one another by just that extra confirmation when you're not really sure, when you need a bit of a guidance. And we have been pushed in terms of our friendship over the years, in Domex, mostly of Domex, I think. But if anything, Domex just made us realise how valuable our friendship is, and it's really what we build Domex upon.